Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Java easily. First, you'll want to set up your development environment. This involves installing the Java Development Kit, or JDK, which provides all the necessary tools. Next, select an integrated development environment, such as IntelliJ IDEA or Eclipse, to write and manage your code efficiently. Finally, create your very first Hello World program. It's a simple yet crucial step to confirm everything is working correctly and to grasp fundamental syntax. Once your environment is ready, dive into Java's core concepts. Begin by understanding variables, data types, and operators, which are the building blocks of any program. Then, explore control flow statements like if-else conditions and various loops to manage program execution. A crucial step is to master object-oriented programming principles, encapsulation, inheritance, and polymorphism. Dedicate at least 1 hour daily to practicing these concepts through small coding exercises. Consistent practice is key to mastery. Start by working on small, focused projects that allow you to apply the concepts you've learned. Consider building a simple calculator or a basic to-do list application to reinforce your skills. As you progress, explore contributing to open-source projects. This offers invaluable real-world experience and collaboration opportunities. Remember to regularly review and refactor your code, aiming for clarity and efficiency in every line. As your confidence grows, delve into more advanced Java topics. Explore collections, streams, and concurrency to handle complex data structures and parallel processing. Investigate popular frameworks like Spring Boot, which are essential for building robust enterprise-level applications. Actively engage with the Java community through online forums and groups. This provides excellent support and learning opportunities. Continuously stay updated with new Java versions and evolving best practices to remain proficient.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.